Do a brief 5-minute video to show you how I'm packing clothes for a 2-day, 1-night camping trip. With all these clothes, you will notice that a good chunk of it is synthetic. In general, it's good to have a moisture wicking layer, so that way if you get wet and then cold, the moisture wicking will pull the moisture off of you and allow you to stay warm. Basically, I've got 4 different sets of clothes. Yes, 4 different sets of clothes for one night. Over here is going to be my day trip stuff to wear at the campsite, stuff to sleep in, and then an emergency dump bag of clothing. So for the day trip clothes, I have t-shirts, a long sleeve shirt. I'll probably be wearing a jacket. I've got some quick dry pants and shorts, and then underwear and no socks. I've got a pair of aqua socks that I'll be wearing. For the campsite, I've got a hoodie, I've got a long sleeve shirt, a short sleeve t-shirt, again synthetic, pair of jeans, change of underwear, and socks. That'll allow me to be nice and warm and dry at the campsite if I get wet throughout the day. Over here in my sleep overnight pile, I have a winter hat, I have a hoodie. Beyond that, I have a thicker long sleeve shirt, moisture wicking, short sleeve t-shirt, moisture wicking. Down here I've got long underwear, short underwear, and pants, as well as some nice wool socks. Basically, again, all of this stuff is moisture wicking except for the cotton outer layer, which will allow me to stay dry at night. Basically, any piece of moisture that gets inside the tent with me is going to eventually turn into droplets of water and freeze me up, so I'm going to try and stay as dry as possible. I also have a neck gaiter as well, too, that I'll be wearing. And then as for the dry change of clothes, I'm going to be keeping a change of clothes nearby the outside of my boat, so if I dump and get wet, I can just run over to shore, strip down real quick, and put on a clean and dry change of clothes. So with that, we got underwear, we got a t-shirt, we got long pants, long underwear for the legs, and then a fleece layer to keep me warm up top. Also have a towel here to dry myself off. So this is kind of overkill because it's going to wind up being basically 4 changes of clothes for 2 days, but this is what I'm going to be wearing during the day while we're out on the water. Got a change of underwear and a change of shirt, but then the outer layers wind up being the same. This is what I'll wear at the campsite, and it basically becomes my spare change of clothes, so if this gets soaked, at least I still have a quick dry. This is going to be pajamas. It's going to be dedicated for pajamas, and then this is my emergency change of clothes layer as well. Again, it's a lot of clothes. If someone else needs to borrow something, then I've got spares. But basically, I'm going to break these 4 changes of clothes down into 4 separate dry bags, so that way it's all set and ready to go. Or I should say 3 sets of dry bags, because I'm going to be wearing that during the day, and then these at night, and hopefully not wear this one ever.